In this video, we're going to talk about 3 ways how to increase your income stream by investing in dividend stocks. Hi, my name is Ron and welcome to Pinoy Stock Investor. According to IRS, an average millionaire has 7 different income sources. These are earned income, rental income from rental properties, royalties, capital gains from selling appreciated stocks, profits from businesses, interest income, and dividend income. So, if an average millionaire has 7 different income sources, it only shows that for us and all kababayan to build wealth, we need multiple sources of income.
Why am I not a millionaire? I have like 4 jobs.
It's because even if you have 4 jobs, all of your income combined are under earned income, which is 1. Earned income gets taxed a lot before you can use it. 2. Your income is limited to how much time you will work. For us to build wealth, we need to keep most of our income like how millionaires do. Buying productive assets, investing our money, creating and building things that makes cash flow, at the same time minimizing and covering all our expenses and not inflating our lifestyle. If we only have a single source of income, increasing and building our wealth will definitely take a very long time. For us kababayan who are not millionaires yet, one way to make another source of income is to invest in dividend stocks. So, here are 3 ways how your money will generate income by investing in dividend stocks. This is not a financial advice. Please do your own research and make sure to consult your own financial advisor before investing your money. 1 is through dividends. For our kababayan who are not familiar with dividends, when you buy a stock of a company, one way they distribute the company profit or earnings is through dividends. A quick example is the Coca-Cola company, ticker symbol KO. If you own a stock of the Coca-Cola company, you will receive 42 cents of dividends this coming December 2021. If you own 10 stocks of the Coca-Cola company, that would be $4.02 of additional dividend income. Reinvesting this $4.02 will increase the next dividend that you will receive. Most of the companies also raise their dividends over time. As you can see, the Coca-Cola company have increased their dividends for 59 years. This means that your investment, also known as your employees, will regularly get a paycheck increase, increasing the dividends that you will receive. Be aware that companies can cut their dividends, and not all dividends are created equal. Companies also do what you call a share buyback. A share buyback is when a company buys their own stock. Ideally, they only do buy back their share when they don't have a better use of their funds. This will decrease the number of outstanding shares, increasing the value of each share, giving you as a shareholder an income by increasing the value of your investments. If the company that you're already invested in is already a matured company and would only dramatically benefit from additional investments, like a new factory or a new business outlet, a stock buyback would be one of the best ways to return profit to investors. There's a lot of good and bad opinions associated with stock buyback. It's a matter of how much you understand the company that you are invested in. And you should always do your own research. If the company continually invests in improving their products and services, aka research and development, this creates an increase in profitability, increasing the value of the stock that you're holding, providing you an unrealized capital gains. Realizing or selling these stocks will result in tax implications. If you're not holding these investments in a tax advantage account like Roth IRA, it is best to hold your position or your investment up to at least 1 year to classify your gains as long-term capital gains. Not a financial advice, consult your own financial advisor when it comes to making decisions to your investment. So imagine if you invest your first $100 or your first 100 employees. It's like multiplying efforts, like times 2, times 2, times 2, times 2. If you're batang 90s, you know. So how does this income look in real life? For the past 90 days, I've been receiving regular dividends, albeit that the amount is low. After I invest these dividends, the dividends that I will receive will definitely increase, making my investment even bigger. There's also a lot of dividend increases that happened the past 3 months, and some of the companies that I'm invested in also increased their dividends. The second part is capital appreciation. As you can see, my investment is growing and definitely increasing the value of my money. For a share buyback, you can look at this list. If you're invested in any of the companies on this list, you would enjoy an increase in the value of the stock that you're holding. So what's our takeaway in this? First, investing will give you multiple streams of income. Second, increasing your streams of income will accelerate building your wealth. Third, not inflating your lifestyle after your income increase will set you on the right track on financial growth. If you're a kababayan millionaire who is luckily watching this video, Thank you for reaching after this point, and please inspire us in the comments how many sources of income do you have. For the rest of the kababayan that's watching, let us know in the comments what will be the next income stream that will move you closer to becoming wealthy. If you get value in this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel to get updates on my future videos. It's free and will definitely help my channel. Let us continue the discussion in the comments and see you in the next one. Peace.